Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Pat, and I am a beginner gardener. I purchased several of these metal planter stands from Amazon, and I want to do a review because I really love these stands, and I think at the end of this video, you will love them too. Here are the first planter stands that I purchased. I received 5 and I really love them. Then I turned around and ordered another set. So now I have 10 planter stands, but I have so many plants I had to order more. So now I found another deal, which was even better than the first. I was able to find 16 planter stands for $50. So of course I ordered them. So now I have 26 stands. And they're still not enough because I have so many plants and flowers, so I had to order another set. Unfortunately, I could no longer find the deal to get 16 more planter stands, so I found the next best where I could get 7, I think for $25. So of course I ordered them, and now I have 33 planter stands. And you won't believe it, I still need more stands. So I purchased some more, and this is my final time of ordering these stands. I ordered 7 more of the same brand. This brings the total to 40 metal planter stands that I ordered from Amazon. I think I'm done. So let's take a look at some of the planter stands that I purchased. I want you to see how well it looks with the pot just not being on the porch. This green stand I purchased from the Goodwill, and I just love the fact that it also raises the pot. So we'll just take a view of some more of the metal planter stands that I purchased, and I just think that they look really super good. I purchased this stand from the Goodwill for $3, but I don't like it because it retains water, and that's one of the reasons why I like the Amazon's planter stands, because there's no glass, so the water can just leak out if it has too much. I have a grow bag, and I feel like it's always wet, and I love having the stands so that, you know, the grow bag can dry a little and get the excess water out. One tip I would say for anybody who's a beginner gardener is don't rush to get everything. Just give it time, because I just feel that I've made some mistakes by buying things that I shouldn't have bought, like the stand, it retains water. So this is a look of the planter stand. Packaging was great. They were not broken. All you have to do is take off the plastic piece and just place the stands where you want them. And here's a view of all the stands that I purchased. Aren't they super cute? Now this is the view from the bottom of the stand, and I just wanted to show you how well it was made. So there you have it, and this is an example of how it looks when I just have the pot on the surface, and that's what I'm trying to avoid by adding the metal stand, which I think for me is a great solution. This solution may not work for everyone. Another example of the pot just being on the surface. Another thing I like about the planter stand is that they come in various heights. So I can like position the stuff in the back and the front, because my patio area is so small, and I just feel like I can just pack more plants in my area. And this is just an example of how great that, you know, my patio looks with the metal planter stands. I do need some more, so I just used the bottom of some Dollar Tree pots just to heighten some of my pots that I had. So I just really love my garden space. It's just so peaceful and quiet. I just love just going out there, just repotting things, getting my hands dirty, So yeah, so this is just a view of my garden area. If this is the first time that you've viewed my video, please go back and watch some prior videos that I've made. This is just a small space. I don't have a backyard and I wanted to try my hand at gardening. If I had a backyard, I definitely would not have purchased the metal stands, but I was just trying to save like some wood rot because I have so many flowers and plants on the patio. So I purchased these items on Amazon. This one was $25 at the time of airing this video. And I love this one. This one was a little over $50 and they no longer have any in stock, which I was so sad about. And this last one, you get 7 and it had a sale for $27 at the time that I aired this video. Thank you for watching MsSassyPat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. See ya.